the overview of the different types of networks. Today, we are going to take a look at the overview of the different types of network defense approaches. There are four main approaches that could be used by a network technician to protect his network. We have preventive, reactive, retrospective, and proactive network defense approaches. Defense approach, the preventive network defense approach. This is a security strategy that involves taking proactive measures to protect a network from potential threats before they occur. This approach involves implementing security measures such as firewalls, intrusion detection and prevention systems, IDS, IPS, and antivirus software to prevent unauthorized access to the network and detect any potential threats. It is actually less complicated, more dependable, as well as far more economical to prevent a protection violation than to spot or even reply to one. Keep in mind that it is actually difficult to design a safety and security plan that will certainly prevent all vulnerabilities from being exploited. Number 2, the reactive network defense approach is one that responds to past and present threats rather than anticipating future dangers. It is complementary to the preventive approach and regularly comprises of instruments like antivirus programming, firewalls, password managers, spam filters, and ad blockers. The reactive network security approach aims to cover network monitoring for anomalies, forensics, and incident response. It focuses on building a defense against unknown cybersecurity risks and taking measures to resist these. Number 3 is the retrospective approach. A retrospective network defense approach is a security strategy that examines the causes of attacks and uses protocols to analyze and monitor network traffic after an attack has occurred so as to prevent it from ever happening again. The proactive network defense approach is a cybersecurity approach that involves acting in anticipation of an attack against a computer or network with the aim of countering future attacks. Information assurance, IA. Information assurance, IA, refers to the steps involved in protecting information systems like computer systems and networks. There are commonly 5 terms associated with the definition of information assurance: integrity, availability, authentication, confidentiality, and non-repudiation. Essentially, information assurance is protecting information systems through maintaining these 5 qualities of the system. Integrity involves making sure that an information system remains unscathed and that no one has tampered with it. IA takes steps to maintain integrity, such as having antivirus software in place so that data will not be altered or destroyed, and having policies in place so that users know how to properly utilize their systems to minimize malicious code from entering them. Availability is the facet of IA where information must be available for use by those who are allowed to access it. Protecting the availability can involve protecting against malicious code, hackers, and any other threat that could block access to the information system. Authentication involves ensuring that users are who they say they are. Methods used for authentication are usernames, passwords, biometrics, tokens, and other devices. Authentication is also used in other ways, not just for identifying users, but also for identifying devices and data messages. IA involves keeping information confidential. This means that only those authorized to view information are allowed access to it. Information needs to be kept confidential. This is commonly found, for example, in the military, where information is classified or only people with certain clearance levels are allowed access to highly confidential information. The final pillar is non-repudiation. This means that someone cannot deny having completed an action because there will be proof that they did it.